Do you know many people are having trouble with operating their new metal detector? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn on. Press the power button for about a second to turn on the Garrett AT Max. It will remember the last mode used, so you're ready to begin your search. Step 2. Select mode. Tap the mode button to select the detection mode you prefer, all metal for depth, or one of the discrimination modes like coins, custom, or zero. Step 3. Adjust settings. Adjust settings like sensitivity, threshold, and volume to match the environment and your preferences, ensuring better detection results. Step 4. Balance ground. Conduct a ground balance by pressing Shift and adjusting with the plus or minus controls as you move the coil above the ground until you hear minimal audio. Step 5. Start sweeping. Position the search coil about 2 to 3 centimeters above the ground and sweep side to side at approximately 1 meter per second to detect targets. Now you should be able to effectively operate your Garrett AT Max detector and start finding treasures. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Garrett users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.